See what's going on out here. Or river. They've had that guy there all night.
Roads were closed already.
He's in a good spot. Right before the yard, there, if you can see it, but
This is just nuts.
see what's going on out here.